Ng masigabong palakpakan, Mr. and Mrs. Paul Adrian and Shane Ramirez.
Salamat po. Welcome po namin kayong lahat. At salamat sa Panginoon. Thank you po.
Ladies and gentlemen, palapakan po natin ang proud parents ng ating lovely couple. You may now take your seat and enjoy the rest of the celebration. And at this point in time, as we continue our celebration for Paul, Adrian, and Shane, let's have our dove kissing ceremony. Okay? Sabi nila sa research, ang white dove daw ay ginagamit sa isang wedding celebration kasi